Why do, bad things happen for good people? All right? What is bad and what is good? These are two terms, and as I said before, the bad thing and good thing is a mental understanding, because they generate from the material perception, which is always cheating. Material perception is not the correct perception. When we are in the world of opposites, sometimes good thing happen, but many times bad thing happens. Now, who is good and who is bad when the reaction of good and bad is applied to the same person? So it's a time-being situation that this person was good and something bad happened, right? And some bad people are there and good things happen to them, and so we contradict this way. But actually, materially speaking, the body itself is bad bargain, right, for the spirit soul. So if this body is suffering or enjoying, both are hallucination. When as a soul we have to understand that our constitution is joyful, anandamayo vyasat, the soul is also having the same qualitative ingredient of anand. It may be small, but when he was in his original nature, that is Satchidanand, he was ever joyful and there was no problem. But this soul, by hate and desire, comes into the the realm of duality, and he enjoys both pain and pleasure. Enjoys means he has to. It is the association with the mode of material nature. Karanam gunasangasya sadasatyoni janmashu. And the cause is that he is associating with these modes. That's why it is happening. So, mode of passion is not always staying at the same level. It wears out. But when it wears out, it can stoop down in the mode of ignorance too. Rather, we are told that do not depend upon these three modes of material nature to become happy. Mode of goodness is a good medium to become happy, but it doesn't give a guarantee that you will not be miserable. The demigods who are situated mostly in mode of goodness, they also suffer the demons, at the hands of demons. They are in miserable conditions, and it happens from the time of creation. So, in this material world, it's nothing like that, good people are there and yet bad things are happening. No, they have to take the brunt of the both. You can't have in this material world only happiness. So therefore, we have to prepare that miseries can be minimized only by becoming spiritual. Money cannot buy happiness. Nothing can do.